Next problem in part 5, maximum minima part 5. So show that the maximum rectangle that can be inscribed in a circle is a square. So ఏంటంటే ఒక సర్కిల్ లో స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఉంది అంట. సో సర్కిల్ లో రెక్టాంగిల్ అనేది పెట్టేసిరంట. సో దాని నుంచి ఎంత మాక్సిమం ఏరియా ఉంటుందో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్. సో ఫర్ దట్ ఫస్ట్ నేను సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. దాంట్లో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్ అండ్ సర్కిల్ యొక్క రేడియస్ షుడ్ బి r అండ్ సో O పాయింట్ నుంచి ఈ రెక్టాంగిల్ యొక్క పాయింట్ వరకు ఉండే లెంత్ షుడ్ బి x. ఇది x అయితే ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి కూడా ఇంకోటి ఏమవుతుంది x. సో టోటల్లీ లెంత్ ఏమవుతుంది అన్నట్టు 2x. సో let r be the radius of the circle r and the sides of a rectangle should be x, 2x. That means here x plus x, that equal to we will get a 2x. Now and 2x here and this side should be, it is y, both will we get 2y. So here sides of a rectangle should be 2x and 2y. This we should take as a length, this should be taken as a breadth. So let a be the area of rectangle. Let length of area of a rectangle should be length into breadth. That's why a is equals to l into b. So length value should be 2x and breadth value should be 2y. Then we will get a 4xy. From that here in this diagram we are having a triangle OAB. So for that I am applying a Pythagoras theorem. From that we get r square is equals to x square plus y square. From that I am taking y value is equals to under root of r square minus x square. I am substituting here in place of y I am substituting under root of r square minus x square. So for that here we completed a area. So but here we need a minimum or maximum. That's why we have to do a derivative with first derivative. So d by dx of 4x into under root of x square r square minus x square. Here u v rule. So this is you have to take u, this is you have to take v. So we have to apply 4 should be constant. I am taking u into d by dx of v. In the derivative I am doing this. So while doing the u, by applying the u v rule, we will get this total. We will get this, and we are simplifying. And after that simplifying, we are getting dA by dx is equals to 4 into r square minus 2x square by under root of r square minus x square. Here whether it is a maximum or minimum we have to find. For that we have to put dA by dx is equals to 0. That is 4 into r square minus 2x square by under root of r square minus x square is equals to 0. And sending 4 to this side, we will get r square minus 2x square by under root of r square minus x square is equals to 0. Next one, here we got r square minus 2x square by under root of r square minus x square. I am sending to this side, then we will get r square minus 2x square equal to 0. Then r square is equals to 2x square. So here r square by 2 equal to x square. Then we will get x is equals to r by under root of 2. Then dA by dx is equals to a into under root of r square minus 2x square by under root of r square minus x square. So here we got a x value. Now we have to find a d square a by dx square. For that I am doing here u by v rule. So u into v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by under root of v square. And I am doing simplifying all the things. And here in place of x I am substituting r by root 2. Same here, and we will do the simplification. So while doing the simplification, at last we will get a d square a by dx square is equals to minus 8r square by r square by 2. And I am simplifying this, and I am getting a minus 16. If minus 16 is nothing but less than 0, less than 0 is nothing but, hence a is a maximum. X is equals to r by 2. From 1 implies y is equals to under root of r square minus x square. And substituting x value r by root 2 in this value, y is equals to under root of r square minus r square by 2. I am taking the LCM 2r square minus r here. I am taking the LCM under root of 2r square minus r square by 2. Then we will get under root of r square by 2. This is the value of y. That is equals to square root get cancel r by root 2. The sides of a rectangle are 2x and 2y. That's why 2 into r by 2 and 2 into r by 2. Here we are having a same value here. Here also same value. That's why the formed shape should be the square. That's why the rectangle is a square. Therefore 2x is equals to the root of 2r and 2y is equals to the root of 2r. The rectangle